Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we will continue building financial model of a massage business idea. Today we'll be talking about payroll. We've already specified, let me just walk you through the model. So we started with massage type specifying, so blues are the inputs, blue cells are the inputs. All other cells are automatic. So here we specify types of massage. We can switch them on and off from calculations. Here is the pricing for massage. We have local and global coefficients for pricing. This is the level of direct costs inside the massage. We have also coefficients local and global added to direct expenses. Then we specify the duration of massage to create the revenue generating algorithm that we will trust. We also we are adding coefficients local and globals for massage duration. Then we specify the working hours for each day of the typical week. Here we can see the daily revenues, daily direct expenses, occupied hours inside these working hours. This is the percentage of these hours out of these hours. Then we are creating the portraits in terms of services for Monday, typical Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we can set up, for example, add some services on Monday. For example, we can add massage type 7, see how the daily revenue for Monday changes to this value, direct expenses, hours, percentage of occupied hours inside the working hours. So we can create the add and delete services to see whether this revenue is realistic or not realistic, so we can play with each day of the week and different types of massage. We can here switch them on and off. For example, if we want to switch off massage type 2, we can see how the revenues and direct expenses are changing. So this will further be needed for scenario modeling. Then we add seasonality inside the typical year, how seasonality affects the revenue. Then we specify when we start our project, get the first revenues, year and month. Then we assume that we won't be able to get the target revenues right from the first month of operating activity, so we will be gaining the target values of revenues step by step. And here we specify how we get the speed of reaching the target values of revenues. Then we set up the investment plan. So here we specify what we invest in. Here we specify when and how much we invest in during the investment stage before the revenue starts. Then we specify fixed expenses, and then we put them inside the timeline. And now it's time for us to talk about payroll. So let's create. By the way, I will be giving all the links on creation of this financial model from scratch in the description of this video when the whole financial model will be ready. And at the end screen of this video I will be putting the link on the playlist where all these videos will be placed, so you can watch the whole process from scratch till the whole financial model overview. By the way, if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So let's create a payroll block of inputs. So here will be position. This will be amount of people on this position. Then here we'll place salary per person, per position. Salary per person per position. This will be salary per month. So here I will place the name of positions. So for example, receptionist and so on. So position 1. So for example, we have 5 positions. Amount of people on each position, let's say, put here some values. So the salary will be, for example, one person gets $2,000, $3,000, then $2,500, $3,000, for example, like this. Then the salary per month will be this times this. So these are the inputs. So we are coloring this data with blue because blue is the color of our inputs. Like here, all other cells are automized. We are not touching them to avoid mistakes. And now we are putting this data, this payroll, inside the timeline. So I'm copying this table, the previous, let me call it payroll. Here I will place the names of positions. And now I will write a very simple formula. I will be putting these values. Here I'm freezing the column, and I'm going to timeline table. Here it is, and here there is a line operating activity 0 or 1. 1 means that we have an operating activity at this moment. 0 means that we don't have operating activity at this moment. And I'm multiplying on this line, and I'm freezing the line, of course. Now I'm just extrapolating this formula to the bottom and to the right. So now we can see how our payroll expenses occur in September 2023. Let's color it with red, because later these bunch of lines will go to the cash flow statement, because these are the expenses. So for example, if I set up the project start, for example, the first revenues come not in September, but for example in May. So I can see that we have the revenue starting in May, direct expenses starting in May. We have the investment plan starting in March, April, 2 months before May occurs. Then fixed costs start at May, and then payroll also starts at May. So we've managed to automate this process. We can easily create scenarios, displays the start of operating activity. So hope you enjoyed this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. I will be giving all the links on creation of this video in the description of this video when the whole financial model will be ready. And at the end screen of this video I will be also putting the link on the playlist where all the process, all the links, all the videos of creation of this massage financial model will be placed from scratch till the final overview. So hope you enjoyed. See you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.